This look like Rogaine for men or something. Hey curl friends, and welcome back to another natural hair video. Today we're doing a really low-key first impression of this edge stuff that I got quite a long time ago. I never really touched it, so we're just gonna go ahead and unbox it together. I hope you guys like this new layout. Let me know what you guys think of this low-key layout, just for like first impressions and tutorials and things. But the product that I'm gonna be talking about today is called Toppik, I believe. Everything came in this little box here. I think I got a whole kit. It says hair fibers starter kit in dark brown. I didn't get black. I think it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. I'll get into all of the specifics in my actual review, but today we're just unboxing and playing with this as if I were doing this at home for the, on my own timing, not really for a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, see what all is in here. I thought this would be a really cool product to try out for people that have really thin edges. I know that's pretty common in the black or natural hair community. It says confidence starts with Toppik. The packaging is pretty basic, straightforward. Wait, are they out here being shady, y'all? This look like Rogaine for men or something. Y'all see that? They straight put a whole man on this. So it says live life to the fullest. It's supposed to give you like thicker, okay, the woman is on the back, but it starts off with this man on the front. Okay. I like that they incorporated some black women in their marketing as well. There's one in there, the token black girl. So it's a full kit, so I'll actually keep open. That way I know what all came with it. I'm gonna throw this packaging down so we could get straight into it. So it says it should come with a spray applicator, holding spray and everything. I don't think I got all of that. I just got, I guess these are the fibers. Full hair instantly hair building fibers. Just this little tube of product, and it has like a little brown thing at the top, so I guess I would know that it's the dark brown. And then in here it says hair perfecting duo. It looks like the applicator, and then it says hairline optimizer. So this is the applicator. I hope this don't have me looking like what's that artist that used to be popping? Hairline is all straight across. I guess that's what this little hairline optimizer thing is for, to kind of give you like that jagged edge or something. Spraying. So I didn't put any product on my hair. I just kind of left it regular because I want to see how it, what is it gonna do. I don't really have like problems with my hairline at all, y'all. I do have like thinner edges, but this is like a family trait. Unfortunately, all the people in my family have it. Even my niece has it. But our hairline kind of thins out right here. Yeah, my edges pretty much grew back in from protective styles. I don't really have like thinning. They're just these little pieces here that kind of short. So I'm just gonna try to fill in my temples, the area that I told you guys is normal for our hairlines, and we'll see the difference. I might do the left side and compare to the, well no, I'll do the right side compared to the left because I'm right-handed. So did they give me instructions? Okay, so it says if you need to cover a lot of area, you pretty much just dump this bottle like this onto your head. That's more so for like men, or I guess a woman with a middle part or something. Start with dry hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and stick the applicator on top. It doesn't really have instructions too much on what to do, so I'm just gonna pop this top off. Can't get it on, y'all. There's no instruction on how do I put this applicator. Pull and twist off the sifter. Oh, okay. Pull it. Wow, this actually looks like setting powder, y'all. And there we go. I didn't read the box that it actually came with. Guess I just take this off. Press the pump to dispense the fiber. So I said I was gonna do this side, y'all. Y'all see that area here versus here? I did bring some gel, but since they said dry hair, we're just gonna work with the dry hair. So comb it on in like that. Oh wait, it was already coming out? It looks like my hair is smoking. But I feel like if you were to do this with a hairstyle, you would have to get the gel on your hair first before you do. Wow, I actually want to do all of here. I'm out here finessing freaking edges, y'all. It's not even transferring that much. Looks pretty good. I wonder if it's waterproof, because this would be really bad on a rainy day. What do y'all think? Got my little thinning side here and a full hairline here. I think it's pretty, wow. I can't even really tell it's there. It's so thin. It's not like cakey at all. Like I said, it's not transferring onto my hand. So I kind of want to try like a hairstyle, a full hairstyle, y'all. I probably should have did like a before and after. Let's actually play with this a little more. So I have an idea. I think I'm gonna try and lay down my edges with the fibers. I don't think this is gonna work very well because it is like a setting powder or something. I don't know. So it is transferring onto my brush, but it's okay. So if I were to use this, I would probably gel the ponytail down first, then go in with the hair Toppik. Actually really, really cool though. My edges actually look like edges versus if I go on this side, and as y'all can see, my brush is already pretty much black. What I would usually do is pull these forward and flip them back because they're short. And I know that's like a sparse area, so normally I would just swoop my little temples. I don't have my edge control in front of me, but you guys can get the main gist of it. Looks pretty good if you like that full hairline. For me, like I said, I don't really need it like that because my only thin area is my temples. So I think for someone that has really, really sparse edges, it's like perfect. It doesn't look like a false hairline at all. Maybe we could do a quick little ponytail, like a serious ponytail with like edges and everything, and I guess a little spray on edges. This looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with my gel first. I'm gonna gel my little ponytail down. It's gonna be kind of rough. I don't want to keep it forever. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this style of video. I think it's pretty cool because this is literally what I do off camera to try out a product before I get on. And I haven't watched anyone use it. The only person I know that uses stuff like this is Muffins My Lovers, Miss April. She does like wig reviews, a lot of extensions and stuff. And I know she used some type of hairspray. I'm not exactly sure if it's Toppik, but I know she used something for edges because she has naturally hair. And the gel that I'm using is Eco Styler Black Castor Oil. And let's continue to fill this side. It's so crazy. Okay, I think that's a good comparison there. So y'all see how this fills up. I went a little bit more towards the hairline itself now, as if you don't need any edges to like sleek down, and I love these as my natural edges. Y'all can see my little dip here versus here there is no dip. It's just like straight across. So much fuller. You probably could do like a better job with like making it less like how I did it. But I just wanted to see what it would do and how full I could actually get it before it looks wiggy. You literally can't even tell that there's like fiber. When I start balding and getting old and start thinning, I'm definitely getting this stuff. This is crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed my first impression. You guys let me know if you guys see a difference. Would you try this out? For the second time around, I didn't even show y'all. The second time around, my hand, because I use gel. Without the gel, it probably wouldn't stick because it wasn't sticking at all earlier. I could totally see someone wearing this with like a white shirt and everything and not have any issues, no fallout, no nothing. I don't see anything on my shirt. So far so good. I think I'm gonna do an actual tutorial maybe. So far I like it. First impressions, I really like it. It's pretty cool. I don't think I personally need it, like I said, because my edges are not that thin. They're just genetics. My little temples are just a tad bit thinner than the normal hairline, but I think my hairline looks pretty decent. You guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll come back with an actual final review, my final thoughts, everything about the hair Toppik fibers, colors they come in, sizes, prices, everything. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in